Hello. We have recently released our China M&A Handbook, which is part of the Global M&A series. Ying, what are the key trends that we're seeing in inbound M&A into China currently?
The trends that we're seeing is liberalization of the approval regimes. Because China is has a currency-controlled regime, every investment going into China needs approval because then you need to convert foreign currency into renminbi. This is, so traditionally a lot of international investors have complained or have been concerned about this lengthy approval process. It increases uncertainty and also time delays. So the government is right now, the Chinese government and the policymakers are very interested in liberalizing the approval regime and streamline the whole approval process.
And are there other challenges that we're seeing in inbound M&A?
Well, traditionally has been the manufacturing going into China, and then you all have heard the China being called the world's factory. So now actually China is stepping into this mid-income trap. Therefore, the Chinese government is very interested in encouraging different kinds of international investment into China, like the new technology, the green, new sources of energy, using new sources of energy, and then clean technology, waste treatment, and other, high IP, intellectual property content kind of investment versus a traditional labor-intensive kind.
And are these the kind of areas which are covered in our new M&A handbook for China?
Yes, definitely. Our M&A handbook has very, just in a short, few pages, give a very succinct picture of the forms, legal forms, and then the approval regime, the central government approval, the local government approval, the government agencies you need to deal with, and the issues that are, commonly faced by those who are invested into China. What's encouraged, what's restricted, what's prohibited, and what are the major traps that could haunt you if you are not careful, in the beginning. For example, employment, tax structure, and all those IP protection.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Registered users of our toolkit are able to download the China M&A handbook from the toolkit site. Thank you.